Hi, good morning, yeah. This festival season, something will make one healthy, okay? What is that? That is the besan ka laddu, fiber and protein also there. Now, no late. Come on. Yeah, now we are making, yeah. Switch on the gas. That and all, everybody knows that. But okay, anyhow, I'm showing how to do. Now with the, this is a gai. Gai means cow only. See the color of the ghee. This yellow color. First you put it little only, then you can fry that thing. Okay, little only we use, yeah. Because everybody is very healthy conscious nowadays, health is very important. So now I am adding this. Okay, this is a basin. See, now you can do like this slowly. Don't make it high flame. So always you have to little bit time only you have to make it, and medium, always make it with the medium flame. Okay, now slowly we are adding this one. Now itself the aroma is coming so nicely actually. Who's taking the video, no? Maybe his mouth is watering, I think so. The aroma is very nice, no? Even I am not able to consistent this thing, so now we are adding the little more now ghee. Very slow flame only you have to do, medium, and slowly only we have to fry this one. Not fry actually. You toss it like this. Otherwise, taste won't come what you want to, like besan ka laddu. What my mother-in-law is very special this making besan ka laddu. They'll make so big, yeah, 2-3 kilos they will make. I'm making only 250 grams. That is also very, I can't even tell you that. So, see, now again I'm adding total this. Oh, close. I will put it all these things, like what and all you have to add, add properly. This is in North India, they traditional, they'll make the besan ka laddu, but very healthy also, yeah. Fiber and protein, two in one is there inside all these things. Good. I love actually. Yeah, bit also you can add. Now slowly you have to. You want to color, everybody's adding, turmeric powder, haldi powder, but I'm not adding that one because not necessary. When you're eating, not necessary that color should be in the yellowish color. So I'm not adding, but my mother-in-law never used to add any, other like haldi and all. So I'm not using, I'm making only plain how she used to make the actually besan color do. That's all. Otherwise the taste won't come, yeah. Outside and all they're making bar the color also there, but I didn't even enjoy that. Whenever I'll go to outer station North India, so in the prashadam they'll give the besan ka laddu. What we make in the house really is so good, I can't even tell you. What my mother-in-law taught me how to make this. But you must have some patience, that only important to make the besan ka laddu. Second, no, I want to tell you one tip. When you're making the besan ka laddu, no, don't use iron kadai, because last time I used the iron kadai, my laddus become like iron only. So that is, you have to be, remember, always use only steel kadai, because that is personal experience I'm telling you. I tried that one also. I thought, oh, I can nicely try in the iron kadai, but it didn't work properly. Okay. My laddu is waste, not waste, we ate it, yeah, like that itself. I said, oh, full iron you must eat. Like how the people are very crazy about the protein, so I told them. Actually, I'm using very less ghee in this. So let me see. Last time even I tried also at home, it works very well. But recipe what I told you, my mother-in-law used very less and very less canned. Canned means raw sugar. Actually, this is a raw sugar. This we say canned. So I'm going to mix this one. Not now. I'll show you properly. See the powder how it will become actually. Have a look, but it will take more 10 minutes. The color should be like I can't explain, even though I can't say brown, I can't say yellow. Some different kind of thing only, because when you are frying, it will come like that. So now only I am adding the nuts actually. This is the badam nuts I'm adding. Last time what I did before itself I added, but it's not work out properly. So now I thought I can add now. See, see my leftover ghee also I'm adding in this. So okay. Yeah. Very easy to make the besan color. I feel once you try it, really very good. You won't eat outside at all, yeah, when you're making at home. Really, I'm telling you, I personally experienced when my mother-in-law used to make and bring, so I never used to have it outside at all. So nicely, now only you have to very careful, otherwise it will become burn. Okay. Because my flame is low, so no problem, but you have to be very careful, I'm telling you. Nice exercise also, yeah. Round. Two in one actually, while cooking you have to exercise, and good food also you're having good food. Okay. That's what I'm telling you. Enjoy your food also, then do exercise better. My mother-in-law used to tell me when I'm frying, no, वो smell नहीं आया, वो सुगंध नहीं आया, बेसन का वो सुगंध नहीं आया. Now only I'm realizing, yeah, when you're making, really. Only four ingredients, very not much. Because if you want, elaichi powder to that smell of fragrancy, you can use. But I'm not using. I don't like that one. So health wise, I don't know about that elaichi, but everybody will say that is very good. The sound gurr 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 gurr. I don't know. Baapre. You have to hold both the hands, then only it's working out. See the consistency how it's coming. So this one only. More 5 to 10 minutes it will take. Then your laddu is ready going to. Now see, now it will come like alwa, Then have a look. So see, become like alwa little bit, okay, the color, because now it's in yellow, little it should change like maroon color. Then now see the color how changed after, we fried it with the ghee. Just have a look. See, this is the consistency. Little more also we have to 1 hour, 2 minutes. That's all now ready. Now switch off the gas. This ready, and have a look properly. See. If you want, you can less also. You can, reduce the ghee, but I told just I'm adding this one. So look at the consistency and color. This is the color. You can have a look at the color. Yeah. Switch off the gas. Now you have to transfer this in the plate. See, cool down actually. Again, this it will take 10 to 15 minutes to cool down. Not totally cool actually, little bit we'll say how we'll make the curd, like what do you say, I don't know, but even though like that only have to take, because no wastage, like that you can remove properly. See, this one now it's a cool down actually. When you're putting your hands, it should not burn. Now I am adding the khand. Khand means you will get it in Baba Ramdev shop. I'm using this one only. When you're mixing, you have to be see whether, if I'm telling the measurements also, according to your this thing only you have to make, no? So, see, a little bit more. Then again I'm mixing with this. Nicely mix it like this. Yeah, little more I think I'm adding. See this one. Yeah, that's all. Now mix it well. My mouth is watering now to eat this one. First I'll give to God a little bit, then I'm going to eat. Okay, maybe you people also doing like that only. Let me see. Now you have to make only laddus and eating. That's all. Okay. Now shape it. Shape it means only one thing only we can make it round. That's all. Okay. Just press it nicely. You can make it. Laddu. See. See, yeah, so soft and nice. I can't tell nice, Now you people can make it nicely and try it, then only tell me. Now you can decoration for this decor. You can put the pista, badam. Already badam inside is there. Then you can put the one pista, okay, to show. That's all. See, soft. It will become nicely, okay, like this. Now time for taste, yeah. Anyhow, I'm going to eat. Really, I'm telling, very tasty. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy with the besan ka laddu.